Josh, what are you doing?
Pulling out cables. This
Why?
is what they call on-the-job OTJ, on-the-job training.
Josh, what are you really doing?
Of pulling someone else's cable management job out. No, but wait, look there.
He's fishing them all out. So what are you unplugging?
I don't really care.
I was gonna unplug them all first, and then we can start unloading.
That's fine. That's fine. Do that. This is a spaghetti mess. Thank you, Todd.
Wow, that's impressive wiring, Josh. That's getting better as I go.
I'm learning from my partner next to me.
So is this why you do client and not server?
Nice. Trash talk. We love it.
Okay. It's game time.